Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to quickly mention some of the benefits of intermittent fasting, and hang on to the end of the video because I'm going to give you some important tips to help you get the most out of your fast. Perhaps the benefit most people hope to get out of fasting is weight loss. Intermittent fasting is a great way to lose weight fast while maintaining lean muscle mass. It can achieve this by 4 different mechanisms. The most obvious of these is calorie restriction. It's really tough to get an entire day's worth of calories in just one setting, and if you're prone to overeating, you can find it more enjoyable than a normal diet. The second way it accelerates fat loss is by helping your body burn through glycogen stores quickly, shifting your body into a state of ketosis in which it burns fat rather than carbohydrates for fuel. This is what makes intermittent fasting especially popular in the keto community. The third way it helps in weight loss is by promoting autophagy. The body's search for other energy sources during fasting causes it to start to clear unhealthy, unnecessary cell debris, and this can help to maximize fat cell metabolism and protect against disease and aging. The last way intermittent fasting can aid in weight loss is by preventing metabolic adaptation from happening. Most people who try to lose weight on normal diets are all too familiar with the plateau phenomena, where their weight loss stalls no matter what they do, and they tend to regain the weight they lost. Hormones that promote weight regain, like hunger hormones, are activated by dieting, and it's thought that the normal periods of eating and intermittent fasting trick your body into losing weight before the plateau happens. But there's so much more to intermittent fasting than just a lean body. Intermittent fasting improves insulin sensitivity, which lowers the risk for type 2 diabetes. It improves heart health by lowering total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol, and also by lowering systolic blood pressure. It improves metabolic health and increases longevity, and it protects from inflammation and liver disease. It improves brain health and boosts your immunity. If all of this sounds too good to be true, I'll leave links in the description box to some medical publications where you can get a sneak peek at some of the science. Now, after hearing all of these benefits, I'm sure you're excited to dive right in. The good news is that many people find intermittent fasting easier to maintain than traditional calorie-restricted diets. However, it can be challenging to stick to your fasting program. The following 8 tips will help you stay on track and maximize the benefits of intermittent fasting. Number 1. After your fast, start by eating lighter foods like salads and soups until you feel more in control of your hunger. Then go on to eating the rest of your meal. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Drink lots of water and calorie-free drinks like herbal teas throughout the day. During fasting periods, this will not only help you stay hydrated, but it'll help reduce your hunger and cravings. However, take care not to drink too much coffee to help you get through your hunger, because it can have negative effects on your sleep. Number 3. Avoid obsessing over food. Plan plenty of distractions on fasting days to avoid thinking about food, like playing board games with your kids or catching up on paperwork. Number 4. Resting and relaxing. Don't make fast days on days when you're going to do a lot of endurance exercise. Avoid any strenuous activities on these days, but some light exercise such as going for a stroll may be beneficial. Number 5. Make every calorie count. Even though you're fasting, you still need to have a healthy diet when you do eat. Calories and food quality are very important and should never be neglected. Often people ignore food quality and overindulge on calories as they use intermittent fasting as a safety net. Then this will not be effective and your health will be compromised. It's essential that you eat a healthy and balanced diet on non-fasting days. A balanced diet will contribute to your weight loss and your overall health. Choose high-volume foods, high-quality foods, and nutrient-dense foods. High-volume foods are foods which are filling yet low in calories, like popcorn and raw vegetables, fruits with high water content, like grapes and lemons. High-quality foods contain protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Examples include beans, lentils, legumes, and whole grains, lean meats, eggs, fish, nuts, avocado. Nutrient-dense foods are high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. These will help keep your blood sugar levels steady and prevent nutrient deficiencies. Number 6, improve the taste of your food without adding any extra calories. You can season your meals generously with garlic, herbs, spices, or vinegar. These are extremely low in calories, yet they're full of flavor, which can help reduce your feelings of hunger. Number 7, you will experience the best results if you try out various styles of intermittent fasting to see what suits your lifestyle and preferences. There are so many different ways to do it. and there's no single plan that works for everyone. So if you missed my video where I talk about 13 different types of intermittent fasting, check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And my last piece of advice is that if necessary, you should never hesitate to seek professional help to personalize an intermittent fasting plan and avoid pitfalls. Now hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. And Assalamu alaikum.